Hey everybody, welcome back to the Serpent's Cave. We got an exciting day ahead of us. If you look right here, you'll see 6 boxes. Look at the size of those boxes. Those are Boaphile habitats that we've been getting and waiting for. They finally made it. If you look at the size of them boxes, they're pretty good. We're going to do an unboxing video of one of them to show you what they look like. Yeah, so let's get started on unboxing this thing. Get my trusty little knife. Says, handle with care, glass. Well, let's hope they handled it with care when they shipped it, the guys who sent it to me. We're gonna see how they pack this stuff. Now, we did have the lights and the heating pads. We had those all installed. So, they should be ready to go. Wow, okay, here we go. Got some foam and some wires. One's probably the wire, the other's probably the heat pad. Okay, so let me see how the best way to attack this would be. I'd say I'm going to try and slide it out of the box on the side. Let's see if I can pull that off. See what we can come up with here. We really love the look of the habitat online, so we're hoping it's as good looking in real life as it is online. Okay, this is definitely a lot harder than it looks, so let's do it the old-fashioned way. Cut the edges. This might take a minute. Sorry if it takes so long. But this will probably be the easiest way than trying to fight with it, because they really got snug in there. So it's not going to fly apart on you. It looks like, so far, that they really packaged them well. I think it took us about, how long did it take us to get them?
About 5 weeks.
So we ordered these, and it took us about 5 weeks to get them. We ordered 5 of them. We should have ordered 6, but that's okay. We ordered 5 of them, complete with everything hooked up. And so it didn't take that, to me, that's not that awful long. 5 weeks for them to get it to us. Oh, maybe I can get to it now that way. Let me see. Oh no, they're in there snug. They really did a good job putting them in there. Never pull a knife towards you like I'm doing. You never know when it will slip and get you. Well, luckily you don't have to sit through all of them. We'll just unbox just one, because this is taking a lot longer than I expected it to take to unbox. Cut this side down. Yeah, I can push it out, hopefully. excited. They looked really good on the internet. Well, they foam them together really good. They're all foamed up well. Oh, they don't slide in these boxes at all, ladies and gentlemen. They don't do it. They are snugly in there. Alright, success. Got the box open. I guess that's a start. Okay. Well, what size do we get there?
48 long, 18 deep, 11 inches tall.
Alright, oh, okay. Here we go. This at the front of them. Get this other stuff off so we can take a better look at it. They look like they packed them fairly well. We could have ordered black hinges and stuff to kind of go along with it. There's a little extra for the black hinges, but to me, not that big of a deal. Here on the back of it, you can see the heat pad installed on the bottom. See it right there. So, yeah.
That's the light. It's not a heat lamp, it's just a light.
Yeah, we won't be using heat lamps, won't need to. Snakes, relatively, they should only, should only need, because they are belly, they need their bellies warm more than anything else. It helps digestion. Only use heat lamps when we can't get sufficient enough in the belly. This should do everything we need right here. It's cool to come home right from work and see what you've been waiting for, sitting there waiting for you. These are really light because they're made of that kind of like plastic material. But as we know, some plastic materials can be very, very strong. There's a lot of packing material. I'm going to have to clean it off. Still stuck to it, but that's okay too. Have to do some cleaning up tonight. Okay, so there you see the heat pad. As we said a while ago, it's a nice size one. We're perfect for this cage, what we need. They'll give them a good warm side. And then we have the light in there, basically for us. They don't really necessarily need that light. Now, turn it around and kind of open it up. It has two locks right here. Open it up. There it is. It's a simple put together. I hope you can see that. We ain't got good lighting in here. Not at all. But hopefully you can see that. So it's looking pretty good. What we're going to do now is we're going to go through the process of getting these things all unpacked and getting the critters over to them, and then show you what it looks like after setup. So we'll be back with you in a while. Later.